Are skyquakes real? Strange Earth sounds explained. Imagine standing outside on a quiet evening when suddenly a loud booming noise echoes from the sky, startling everyone nearby. This strange sound is called a skyquake, and many people have reported hearing it around the world. But are these noises real or just a strange myth? Skyquakes are definitely a real phenomenon. People describe them as loud, explosive booms or horn-like sounds that seem to come from the sky itself. These noises can be so loud they shake windows or cause vibrations in buildings. Interestingly, they often happen without any visible signs like lightning or explosions. Some reports say the sounds last just a few seconds, while others describe them as lasting longer. Many places have their own names for skyquakes. In New York, they are called Seneca guns, named after the Seneca Lake area. In Japan, people call them yuminari, which means sea roar. These sounds have been heard in many countries, from the United States to Japan, and even in parts of Europe. Scientists have studied skyquakes but have not found a single answer that explains all of them. They have ruled out earthquakes because the timing of the sounds does not match seismic activity. Instead, experts think atmospheric and cosmic factors are involved. One popular idea is that meteors or space rocks explode high in the sky, creating sonic booms that can be heard from the ground. These meteors might be invisible or too small to see but still produce loud noises. Another possible cause is natural atmospheric events. Large waves crashing in the ocean or gas escaping from the Earth can produce sounds that travel through the air. Sometimes, solar activity like coronal mass ejections can disturb the atmosphere and cause strange noises. Human-made sources like supersonic jets breaking the sound barrier can also create booming sounds, but many skyquakes happen before such flights began. There are other ideas too, like methane gas bubbling up from underwater beds or distant thunderstorms creating sound waves that travel long distances. However, no single explanation fits every case perfectly. The mystery remains because the sounds vary in loudness, location, and timing, and often no visual clues are seen. In the world of strange Earth phenomena, skyquakes are a fascinating puzzle. They show how natural forces and cosmic events can produce eerie sounds that challenge our understanding. Learning more about these noises could help us better understand atmospheric acoustics, meteor activity, and even how space weather impacts our planet. So next time you hear a strange booming from the sky, remember, it might just be a skyquake, a real and mysterious part of our planet's strange phenomena.